Listen to this hadith. And وَرَبُّ الْكَعْبَةِ, it should make the hairs on the back of your neck stand. Listen to the warning of the Sadiq al-Masduq. I know groups of my ummah, they will come in the day of judgment with good deeds like mountains glowing bright. Not little too good, a mountain of good deeds. And Allah Rabbul Izzah will make it perish in the wind. It will disappear. So the Rasul says, they're your brothers, Muslims, and not ordinary Muslims. And these are Muslims, the type that wake up in the middle of the night and pray. They're good Muslims. But what's their sin? There are people that when they're alone, they overstep the boundaries of Allah. So in seclusion, when you're there on your phone, remember, Allah will delete all your good deeds if you're not careful.